million cattle. Today I'm around Baling Hay with the Massey Ferguson 4707. Got the Kubota BV4160 round baler hooked to it. When I was cutting this field the other day, these ant mounds had some little rocks in them. We had never had no problem with it, but that hay cutter picked up one of them little rocks and it shattered shattered this door on that Kubota M6131. So that's why we're baling hay with this tractor instead of it. This is the steepest field we bale, so I'm hoping it'll pull it just fine. So far it seems to be doing good. I'm running 1800 RPM and regular 540, and the baler's running about 500 its PTO, which is as fast as we normally run it with the Kubota. Seems to be doing good. This ain't the smoothest field. This field's pretty rough. This baler turned up, the size of it turned up to 65 inches. This hay's ours, and we like to bale bigger bales, so we don't have to handle as many rolls. We're at 60 inches now. We're fixing to kick one out. Out and we'll get out and look at it. So far I'm impressed with how this tractor's running this baler. Rapid now. Alright, let's get out and take a look at that bale. It's a good looking bale. Check and see how tight it is. That's tight. You can see there I can't stick my finger in it hardly. And that wrap looks good on it. That's a tight bale. Alright, well, let's see if we can make a few more bales. The tractor seems to be doing good so far.
stumbled in the front door. He'd never been inside a church. He was looking for some answers, and God knows how he'd searched. Trading in his old life, grace was just a step ahead. When he made it to the altar, he turned to me and said, "Friend, I've hit rock bottom. Not a nickel to my name. I throwed away what God gave me, and I have only me to blame. Every day is a battle when your heart is incomplete. Help me get down on my knees so I can get back on my feet." He was so tired of running, a man without a home. This world cannot help you when you're empty and alone. He said, "I want my family back. I'm tired of living in the streets. Help me get down on my knees so I can get back on my feet. Friend, I've hit rock bottom. Not a nickel to my name. I throwed away what God gave me, and I have only me to blame. Every day is a battle when your heart is incomplete. Help me get down on my knees so I can get back on my feet. Every day is a battle when your heart is incomplete. Help me get down on my knees so I can get back on my feet. Help me get down on my knees so I can get back on my feet."